Well, good afternoon. Today we are looking at more snow moving into parts of the valley. It's light, but it could have some impacts on your travel plans on this Friday, maybe heading out for a Valentine's Day dinner. For later today, you may run into some snow. You can see our visibility down a little bit down at the Dakota Magic Casino Skycam. Flags moving gently in the breeze. The wind is going to pick up today, and that's going to become an increasing factor for us as well. So let's take a look at the radar. Now, it's not showing a lot of areas of snow, but right over where we were just pointing our Skycam, you can see some blue on the map there. So some snow developing in that area, lifting to the north and east. Other places along Highway 281 seeing some pockets of snow too, and some light snow into northwest Minnesota. But then there are large areas not experiencing anything right now. So that continues to kind of develop as it moves through the valley. Our temperatures, now there's a range here. We've got a punch of warmer air moving into the southern valley with this system. So you can see we're more into the teens right now, and we're at 15 degrees in Elbow Lake, 16 in Sisseton. Meanwhile, on the colder side, still on that frigid side here, we are at 4 below in Langdon and in Rolla, so not quite warming up there to the north and west. And our wind chills are still low in that area. We did have that cold weather advisory expire at noon. In the Langdon area, we're still down to 25 below, 24 below in Rolla, and our wind chill in Fargo is 12 below. So yes, it is milder than it's been in recent days, but it still feels cold, and you're still going to need the winter gear heading outdoors here today. Here's a look at our wind. Not a problem yet, but you can see we're seeing more places with wind speeds into the teens. That's if you were watching this morning. We were talking about single-digit winds, and one spot, Langdon, gusting to 23 miles per hour. And that wind, again, going to be on the increase for today. You can see visibility down a bit out to the west, places like Harvey, Carrington, Devil's Lake seeing a little bit of snow there, and the potential for some wind to blow that snow around as that picks up as well. So let's take a look at our hour-by-hour planner. The bottom line here is that we've got some isolated to scattered snow showers developing, moving through the valley as we push our way into the afternoon and into this evening. So this is 3 p.m. You can see more areas of snow possible. Now, we have had some snow in the northwest, but the greatest likelihood for more accumulating snow is more likely to be in the south and east. You can see that over into Lakes Country, Fargo-Moorhead area around 3 o'clock. Students may be heading home from school in a few flakes. And then moving on into this afternoon and evening, this starts to push eastward. This is 6 o'clock. We're kind of winding things down across eastern North Dakota, but still seeing some scattered snow showers into Minnesota. And so that might be happening as, again, you're heading out to dinner or hitting the road here for tonight. So just be aware you may run into snow, but you also may be dealing with this. See this wind picking up out of the north or northeast, and it's gusting into the 20s to even 30 miles per hour. And that continues into tomorrow. So the snow is over, but we may still be dealing with some ground drifting, some blowing snow into Saturday as well. Snowfall potential, not a lot, but there could be some areas getting up to around 1 inch of snow, heavier amounts over to the east. And you can see it's just going to be cold here heading into the weekend. Again, I just want to stress Saturday could get blustery with some blowing snow. And then into next week, some very frigid temperatures and wind chills Monday and Tuesday. After that, there's that hope I was talking about, getting into some 20s, even 30 by next weekend. Just got to hang in there.
Yeah, typically the weekends always kind of have some good weather, but not, I mean, this one, I guess it could be worse, but just look forward to next weekend.
Yeah, next weekend is looking a little bit or a lot better temperature-wise for us.
Exactly. Lisa, thank you so much.